Hi, Sam, Christina, and today we're gonna be watching NCT 127. I almost said NCTU. I'm like NCT
U127.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Performance video.
I'm not ready.
소방.
The actual music video was quite painful, so imagine just the performance.
Yeah. There's no breaks in between
There's
now.
no freaking breaks.
Yeah.
I'm about done.
This is like
there's crotch everywhere, I'm pretty sure.
It's
like there's crotch all up in this face. All up in this face? Yeah, definitely.
You wish.
I do.
We're gonna be pausing it.
Oh,
okay.
God, okay.
3,
okay,
2, 1. Almost paused it. Oh no, black and white.
No.
The color is better in black and white because you can't see their faces.
I know.
What did you pause here?
You
I'm
see,
not looking.
You should look. Open your each in and open your eyes. Come on. He told you the first time, so now you should open your eyes. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now. 1 step, 2 steps.
I like how his bangs are different color.
I know, right? Oh, get ready. Frick, man.
I feel like this video, even if you don't stand Taeyil, you stand Taeyil.
You stand Taeyil, yeah. Freaking Wing man. Oh my god. I love Mark's rap, always.
The mask.
I want to pause it because Yota's face is too nice. It's too nice. That's really close. You okay there?
My tongue.
Okay.
He's doing the cha-cha.
So like
Oh my god, okay. 3,
Okay.
2,
Okay, but his face was really overwhelming. Oh.
so graceful. He's letting it go.
Freaking love this!
Really? That's
Yeah,
move?
I love it. I don't know why.
My favorite move is this one.
What is this?
That's not even a move. Look how he's walking on air.
I know.
Nice.
Nice. Hi. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. I know. He's right there. And his voice.
Okay, we're good now, I think.
Imagine this on the live stage. It's gonna be so amazing. Ugh.
Oh, it's so good. I'm so glad we can see the dance.
Right?
Yeah. No.
Whoa. It's like, oh my god.
소방. Fire truck.
That was so good. To summarize, that was terrible. Taeyil's face should be illegal, and NCT 127 should never have red lighting, ever. That's about it?
Well,
You wanna add?
Yeah, well, third point, this is illegal.
In general.
Yes.
This
Looks
should-
like I have a chicken hand. That looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Doesn't that look weird?
Sam, you're talking about chicken hands. Everything is weird.
Okay.
Looks like you're about to motorboat something. Someone.
My own chest. We went from NCT 127 to
Motorboating ourselves. Can you even physically do that? I can't.
It needs to end now. We need to end this. We need to end this. Okay.
NCT can end me. Oh god.
True, but we need to end
True.
this.
Okay.
Anyways,
Let us know what you think in the comments below.
thank you so much for watching our news videos. We'll be down in the description. And at the end of the video,
Like and
subscribe.
I'm sorry.
Like and subscribe.
Oh god.
Thanks
Oh
for
my God.
watching. Bye.
Oh god, it's he looks really good. He looks really good.